I am preparing new package for my client with this new color of Italian Viscose. This time we should join 4 threads together when we are working because this thread is more thin. And I am sending 600 grams. It's enough to create, for example, a beautiful cocktail dress. And right now I am making sample. For this I am using our first Crochet Magazine, JThouse issue 1. I want to make this really awesome and my favorite element, flower talisman 6 petals. Inside of our magazine we have colored schemes, so I will use this scheme right now and create this element. So let's do this. So I joined 4 threads together. I need to place it on the floor, and I have here 4 threads joined together. Crochet hook is 1.7 millimeters, and now I am making the element.